With the Select command you can select all, deselect all, and invert current selection. With the command Edit IFC, move and rotate the loaded models to position them correctly between each other. Move the model's object grip on the various snap nodes and lock it to other model's snap nodes. Update an IFC model by uploading its modified version or by completely replacing it. Close the models you are not interested in viewing. With the Add Model command you can load any 3D model by converting it into an IFC file. Finally, you can export each model to the standard IFC format together with the properties added with usBIM.viewer Plus.